everybody. In today's speed build, I am going to be building Lego Star Wars set number 7144. And this is the Slave one from 2000. Now this is probably, in my opinion, the worst one. Just because it's old, it's very blocky, stuff like that. But guys, let's get right into it and make sure to leave a like on today's video if you enjoy. Alright everybody, so here is the build. It's actually a pretty solid build, a lot better than I remember, but the back is pretty good. Don't really like the color scheme. I like the color scheme of like the you see a Slave 1 better, you know, where you kind of got the sand green, kind of the gray, maroon, kind of stuff like that. But this is a pretty cool set. So guys, thanks for watching and have a great and fantastic rest of your day.